We want Indian companies to grow and they have the money power to bring automation and everything.
This is a fantastic forum today with a lot of the leading players in the automation gathering here today. Fantastic audience, and automation is the need of the hour for manufacturing to take the next leap to become globally competitive, for innovation around smart AI, generative AI, and take the next leap in innovation, competitiveness, and productivity and efficiency. Automation is a key and the background pillar for all of this.
We Spectrum Cable Tech feel a lot of pride that we are manufacturing lot of special cables. We have solved lot of issues of government defense companies and lot of companies which they used to import lot of cables. So I think we are adding lot of value to what we are providing to our customers. And being an Indian, I am very proud that in India we are improving a lot and we are proud manufacturer of what we do. I don't know what people think of Indian industries, but if you ask me, we, people like us, small companies like us, take lot of interest and passion and pride that we are Indian manufacturing industry.
In today's world, when we talked about in manufacturing, it is very important that we bring the automations. It is really going to help the people who are really working in manufacturing in many ways, and we talked about safety, quality, ergonomics, delivery. In all these things, it is helpful for the people when we comes through automations. We had been evolved year over years. In my 27 years of journey, I had been seeing that we started with pencils and pen, and now we are having a paperless industry. Automation for smart manufacturing engineering is really helping to upgrade the facilities, upgrade the productivity, bringing to the right level of the customized solutions, which helps manufacturing industry to grow better and better in the overall in India market. So I can say that we had been come a long way, but then the daily innovation is helping us to take us as the next level.
Today we are having an automation for smart manufacturing event at Ahmedabad, and Ahmedabad being here, a lot of manufacturing companies are here, and we were looking for a collaborative approach, and we are trying to see that various automation players like Mitsubishi, Rockwell, then we have solution providers like GendaMark, sensor providers like Turk. So all we have come together and we are showcasing our technologies as well as the presentation, which can be used for the smart manufacturing. A lot of opportunities are there for digitalization, and we look forward for the collaborative approach. We also here work with various universities and institutions for skill development programs. I am also part of FSM, that is the Foundation for Smart Manufacturing, where we have IIT Delhi, we have the complete lab set up for the Industry 4.0, or Japanese terminology, we called it as e-factory. So it's really good event in Ahmedabad, and I could see that a lot of presence from the various industry sectors and the channel partners and solution providers.
I'm very happy to announce that we've just concluded this session of the automation for smart manufacturing at Ahmedabad. This particular edition, which is our fourth, has been very unique in many ways. One is that we've had very intense discussions. The community of delegates and speakers and facilitators have really bonded very well. And we are all going back with renewed energy and a commitment for action. So commitment for action has been the purpose of all our events. While it's called a conference, but we actually get to do some serious introspection. And this time we facilitated an electronic quiz, which was not only fun, but also made everybody go back to their student days and, participate in a test. So the environment has been very lively. I'm really thankful to all our association partners and my counterparts at the Foundation for Smart Manufacturing, where we've created a center of excellence and we bring in all these technologies in real life and in actual practice. and I hope that this journey will stimulate interest in the business community and in the academic community of Gujarat. It's been a great show, and I must thank Tushar Alekar and Hari Shankar and all the other people who brought a lot of passion and creativity into this program.